YouTube just launched a new feature, and this feature is blowing up small channels. If you see the amount of testimonies for the small channels that have actually implemented this new feature, you would be amazed. Collaboration. YouTube has launched collaboration on videos and on shorts, and you can actually collaborate with up to 5 different creators on a single video or on a short. My God. This is blowing up channels, and it's time for you to implement this on your own videos and take the chance. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can collaborate with other creators, up to 5 creators, on a video or on a short, and also blow up your own channel. See, one thing you should know about YouTube is when they launch a new feature, they expect creators to use that. And because not every creator is informed, and also because they are still testing out this new feature, they make sure that they actually recommend the creators who implement this feature more when they are just testing out. So what I'm telling you right now is when you're done with this video, make sure you implement this collaboration on either your long form content or your shorts, so that you will take advantage of this early stage of this new feature. Now listen, if this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering what does she actually do on this channel, I talk about everything YouTube, growing on YouTube, monetizing your channel, and keeping your YouTube channel healthy. So if you're a creator, you want to click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any update on how you can grow and keep your channel safe, and also like new updates about new features on YouTube. Before we go into the video proper, before I show you how you can collaborate, I want to give you the advantages and the disadvantages of using this collaboration so that you will decide on your own if you want to use this new feature or not. Now, let's start up with the advantage of using collaborations. Now, the advantage is you will see a massive growth on your channels, subscribers, and also on your watch time and the earnings you would be getting on YouTube. Now, let's take, for example, I want to explain to you how this collaboration works. Like I said, you can collaborate with up to 5 different creators on any of your content. Now, let's say, for example, you want to collaborate with 2 creators, right? You have 500 subscribers and the 2 creators have 500 and 500. That is 1,500 subscribers, right? So when you collaborate with them, YouTube is going to recommend your videos to this 1,500 audience, not just to the 500 subscribers that you have, but YouTube will be recommending your videos to the audience or the subscribers of your collaborators. How amazing is that? So that is actually how you'll be getting the subscribers and also the views on your videos. So let's take, for example, you have 500 subscribers and then you collaborate with 5 other creators who have 30,000 subscribers, 30,000 subscribers, all of them have 30,000 subscribers. So YouTube will be recommending your videos to all of their subscribers. Imagine if all these people have active subscribers, how much subscribers you will be getting from that collaboration and how much watch time and earnings you will be getting from that. That is actually the advantage of this. Easy, busy. Now, the disadvantage is you actually have to request for a collaboration with a creator. Now, what if you recommend this collaboration and the creator says no or doesn't accept your collaboration? It means you'll be unable to collaborate with them, right? So that is one disadvantage because you're not sure if that creator will accept your collaboration. Now, the other disadvantage, which is actually not on your part, but on the other creators who want to collaborate with you, is when you receive your subscribers, your watch time, and then you're earning from that video, you're enjoying the earnings. That earning, whatever you earn from that video, is not shared between you and your collaborators. You are the only one who benefits from the earning. So it's an advantage to you, but it's a disadvantage to the collaborators because they have taken time to build their audience, trusted audience, and all you did was to request for collaboration. They accepted, and then you benefited from their hard work, and you are earning and they are not earning. So it's a disadvantage to them and not to you. Which brings me to an advice I want to give you, to some advice I want to give you before you go into collaboration. The first advice is make sure you are realistic with the creators you want to collaborate with. Okay? Go for someone you are sure you have 50% chances of that person accepting your collaboration. Okay? That is the first advice. The second advice to you is collaborate with creators that are in the same niche with you. Now, this is because you want to get subscribers, you want to get watch hours, you want to get monetized, you want to earn. So, do not recommend a collaboration with a creator that is not on your niche, because their audience do not want to watch the kind of videos you are creating, which means that if you request that kind of collaboration and the creator accepts, you're not going to get a lot of subscribers or views or earnings from that collaboration, because the audience you're targeting are not the audience who are looking for the kind of videos you create. So let's say, for example, you're in the same niche with me. You can actually recommend or request for a collaboration, because yes, my audience are the audience you're looking for. So definitely, if you have a good video, they will watch it. So be realistic. Now imagine you are a Christian and your channel is all about Christianity, serving God, and there is another creator who creates content around babalawo, spiritual things like that, and the person sends a request for collaboration with you. Are you going to accept that collaboration? Even if, let's say, by mistake you just click on accept, the audience on your platform are not the audience that want to watch something about babalawo. So your collaboration will not be successful. So be realistic about it. Look for a content creator that is around the niche you're creating before you recommend. And also make sure that you avoid the established content creators, because the truth is, for them to be able to accept your collaboration, it will be very difficult. Sometimes, let me tell you the truth, right now, it's a new feature and every small content creator wants to use it. And they want to link up with these established content creators because they feel like, okay, this content creator is getting 2,000, 200,000 views, meaning I would be able to make more. The truth is, because they will have so many recommendations, they will have to select very few. Be realistic. Go for people above you, but not much above you, so that they will be able to accept your collaboration and you can benefit from this new feature while it's still hot right here on YouTube. So if you love my advice, go down to the comment section and just say, thank you, Claudia. You said it right. So that I will know I'm sharing something informative to you all. So right here on your YouTube channel, you can go directly to your YouTube studio, all right? Just go to your YouTube studio like this. You come over here to create. You click on create right here. You click on upload file. Right here, let's just select something. Remember, it's just for tutorial, so we're not really going to take time to customize it. Okay. Let me look for something like this so it will download easily and fast. So right here, no, let me take out this title. I just want to put testing collaboration. Okay. Now, what you do right here, scroll below, you're going to see where it asks about collaboration. Okay. Okay, let's click right here on show more. Okay, I think our video is already downloaded. Yes, right here. We have right here collaboration. So just click right here on collaboration, and then you search for the channel that you want to collaborate with or the creator you want to collaborate with. I'm going to use my other channel. Okay, so this can be effective. Claudia from Good TV. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do it right now, because on that platform we talk about making money online, everything making money online, and you don't want to miss out on that. All right, so we have the channel right here. You have your collaborator can view video details. Allow analytics viewing. So there are two things that this collaborator can actually see on the video you're collaborating with. The video, they can view the video details, like the customization of the video, the title, the description, and all that. And they can also, if you give them the chance right here by clicking on this, Okay, if you click on this too, they can actually see the analytics of that video. All right, but I'm not going to do that on this. It depends on you. If you want them to see your analytics, good for you. So I'll just click on create a link. All right, to invite your collaborator, you must copy the link and share with them. Just like I said at the beginning of this video, you must share this link with them. If this is someone you know, you can actually send the link to them through your WhatsApp. But if you don't know them, you can copy their email address, or you go to send the link to them maybe on your social media handles. All right. So what I'll do here is share, and right here you can copy the link, or you can click right here on close. Okay. Pending acceptance. Like I said, your collaborator must accept this for this collaboration to work. Okay. And right here you can copy this link just like so that you can share with them. And below here you click on save. Okay, and then you can go back to your video, you customize it just like you're supposed to do before you publish. Okay, because I don't actually want to use this video, it's just for tutorial. I'm just going to go to next, and then next, and then we don't have any copyright, so it's not going to affect our channel. And next right here, we have it right here on private, but because YouTube has already checked this and it has no issue, I can take it down right here on public, and I publish it right here. Now this collaborator will definitely receive this request. Okay, now let's close it right here. And I'm going to go to the other channel so that you see how it looks like at the other end. Now, right here, let's click on my other channel right here. No, first of all, you have to go to WhatsApp and share that link. Okay, let's share the link right here. This is the link, right? So what the collaborator would do, maybe it's through their email or whatever, they just have to click on it just like so. Just give it a moment. All right, great. This is the video. Okay, so what you have to do right here is to accept, but you have to read through it so that you understand. Now, why am I telling you to read through this? Someone might actually send you this to collaborate with you, because no one is too small to help your channel grow. Even if you're just starting out today and you have just you can actually go to subscribe on this channel. That's already +1, and your watch time to count. And as your channel is growing, theirs too will be growing because of the collaboration. So take your time if actually you receive a collaborative link like this. Okay, so solving YouTube problems invites you to collaborate on testing collaboration. So this is the title I put right there as the title and get featured. Collaboration on your channel. When this video is public, it will show on your channel home tab. Okay, expanded reach will help the video reach the audience of all collaborators. So it would actually be referred to all your audience. Okay, and right here, owner returns, editing, views, watch time, revenue, and control your analytics assets. Imagine what someone will be doing, or you would be benefiting collaborating with people. Now, remember what I said. You would actually get all the earnings, but the person who is collaborating with you will not get anything. So they are just losing out or helping you grow while you are doing all the enjoyment. Now, what you do right there, or your collaborator would do, is to accept or deny. So we have accepted this. Remember, we published it. I want us to go to my channel, back to the channel we send this request, and we see how this plays out. Now, let's go back to the channel homepage right here. We click on channel, just like so. Okay. Let's click right here on the video. This is the video we uploaded. And right here, see what you're going to see. Now, we invited just one collaborator, right? If there were 5 collaborators, right here, you're going to see your own name and the other channels you're collaborating with. Right here, it only shows solving YouTube problem and Close Your Fungu TV. It's not complete here. Now, let's click on the video and see how it plays out. I don't want to play it, all right? Let's scroll below. So these are the 2 channels that are collaborating on this channel and the other channel. I'm going to delete this video after. It's just for illustration. So this channel and the other channel. So if I had 5 other channels, you would see all of them right here. And what happens is YouTube actually uses or recommends this video to their audience. And now their audience will decide if they love your video or not. So when you're collaborating, make sure that your video is of standard. I mean, you have good quality, your thumbnail is good, your description is good, your title is good, and also the content is of value, so that those people or this audience would actually queue into watching and subscribing on your channel. My darlings, it is time for you to take action. There are so many videos on this channel that will help you to get more subscribers, more watch time, to get to your monetization, and to keep your channel safe, which is the most important. See, creators, the most important thing on YouTube is for your channel to be safe. I've seen established content creators with above 1 million subscribers, and in the blink of an eye, YouTube took down their videos because of copyright claims and other issues. So you need to keep your channel healthy. Now, Thank you all so very much for watching this video from beginning to the end. I hope this new feature actually helps you to get to your monetization as fast as possible. Let me know in the comment section how collaboration works for you. And if you have a question, you have a worry, let me also know. We have the links to our WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, Instagram channel, and we're right there. Amazing small content creators like you and I who want to help each other to grow, and they will be right there on the comment section waiting to connect with you. Make sure you do that, and love you. See you soon.